Hey guys, this is Mark with the Art of RVing. Today, I've got a special guy, Joe Wright, a new friend of mine who answers his phone call every time I call him, even at a party last night. Joe answers his phone. I was definitely
impressed.
Thank you. I was definitely impressed that Joe answers his phone. Joe Wright, he's the National Vice President of the South Central area of the FMCA, and I got a couple questions for you. Okay, Joe, so tell us just a little bit, what is the FMCA, sir?
FMCA is an acronym for the Old Family Motor Coach Association.
Oh.
We went to the initials FMCA when we started accepting all RVs.
Oh.
Our membership, who owns the association, voted to let all of the RVs join us so they can have fun and travel with us and enjoy the benefits also.
How often does the FMCA, are you on chapters? Is that what it is? How often do y'all meet?
Okay, chapters generally meet. They'll vary within the chapters. Most of them meet on a monthly basis.
Oh.
In our South Central area, we meet once a year at a major rally.
Right.
And then the parent organization, FMCA, meets twice a year at various locations.
Joe, I appreciate your time, sir. Thanks for having us out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay guys, here we go. This is the FMCA Quilt Service Project, and you are Mary?
Mary Mitzek.
Very nice. And you're Dana? Nice. And here we have the head honcho, Mary Helen. Tell us a little bit about the project and what you do with them.
Okay, each chapter of the 6-state region is asked to make or bring 10 quilts each year at 6-state rally, and then we donate them to veterans of San Antonio and a local service area.
How many do you usually have? How many do you have usually when you give them out?
Well, anywhere from 100 to 200 or 300.
Yeah, you do so much good for so many people. We appreciate it, girls. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Here's the 6-state chapter quilt. Apparently, each chapter gets to make their own part of the quilt. Very interesting how they choose their logo and how they make it. And then they stitch together and they make their quilt. So they've made me honorary pie judge. That makes me very unhappy, but the champion has got to be this. Hang on, I don't know what to say. Okay, so they made me honorary pie judge here. Isn't this awesome? So I have these great pies from Mayberry, and I have chosen this pecan pie, and I'm getting ready to eat the entire thing with a quart of coffee.
We did good. Hey guys, okay, we are here in Shreveport at the 6-state FMCA rally, and we're here at the booth of Fantasy RV Tours. Fantasy RV Tours.
That's right.
With Carol and John.
Carol and John.
Her. It's very interesting. I didn't know this type of thing even existed.
Right.
So thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
So tell us about how long you guys have been doing this and what it's all about.
So Fantasy RV Tours has been around for 40 years, and they've taken people on guided tours, over 7,000 people.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty amazing.
That's
and they're on their trips of a lifetime, so we have some great destinations, and it's a pre-planned, professionally put together itinerary with everything that you want to see and do, like all your sightseeing, your meals, a lot of your meals, and great campgrounds as well.
So it's all planned for you,
all
the
planned
whole itinerary.
Yeah.
You just drive, or
well, we like to tell people all you have to do is just show up.
that makes it easy.
The main thing is it makes it very stress-free.
Yeah.
So this is a pre-planned itinerary that we have for Alaska. This is 60 days. It's probably one of our most popular trips. It starts it begins and ends in the United States. A lot of people like that because crossing the border sometimes is a stressful event for people. But we start in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, just a beautiful, beautiful area. And then we travel up through the Canadian Rockies. We stop in Banff and Jasper. We actually take an ice coach out onto the glaciers, which is really awesome. You can actually collect ice to make cocktails later. It's kind of a fun thing.
Nice.
And then we come down through here, and we're going to eventually end in Ferndale, Washington. That's where the trip is going to end. We have a nice going away party for everyone. A lot of times plan trips together because you're going to make some great friends on this trip. You're going to be on it for 60 days. It's amazing how people bond. And so a lot of times we'll line up reunion trips together or another trip as well. So.
And the red is where you end.
The red is where we end. That's correct.
Oh, that is great.
Okay, thanks again, guys. It's so interesting, and hopefully we'll be able to go on a tour one time.
We love that.
Yeah, tell us your website if anybody wants to check that out.
So we have is fantasyrvtours.com. It's a very dynamic website that gives you lots and lots of options that you can book. Or you can call us personally. Our phone number, is that okay?
Yeah.
Is 317-752-8140. We're Carol and John Kerr, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have and make sure you get the right place to visit.
We'll also link their website below and in the description box. So
Sure
you can
will.
just click on that. Thanks for watching.
And we appreciate y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, we have Greg and Barbara Ricketts here from Gray Bar Industries, and they have this awesome product here. I was very interested in it. It's this portable solar system here, and it's very interesting. So who wants to go first? Tell me about it.
This is the only solar panel made in the United States. It's made by Zamp out of Bend, Oregon. They manufacture this in their facility there. This product is 140 watt portable. We make them different sizes. It comes fully self-contained, so it has the controller on it. It's 140 watts, so it puts out about 9 volts back into your batteries. And so what that does for you, if you're dry camping and you're out here pulling juice out of your batteries, this is filling those batteries back up. It has about an 18-foot cable on it, so you can put it out away from the trailer.
That's the advantage you were telling me about.
Yeah, and then you can also put an extension on it for another 15 feet.
In case you park in the shade.
In case you park in the shade,
you can move it out
far away from your unit and still have your solar power.
And you have a meter on the back of it.
You have a meter and a regulator, so it will not let you overcharge the battery. And so this sets up and it tells you how much you've got in there, how full you've got your batteries, and it'll shut it off whenever it gets full.
Nice.
So if you're away from your RV, you come back and decide that you haven't used anything on it, well, it's just going to shut off. You'll just plug this straight into that plug, and then you're powered up.
This has got to be the easiest solar. It's the simplest thing that you have. I mean,
and then it folds up and goes into this container.
Nice.
Protects it from any kind of damage when you're carrying it around. So it's really compact. Got its own stand.
So it's enough to keep your batteries charged, so you can use your refrigerator?
Yes.
Is that right? And then
refrigerator, you could use your heater. If it's a propane heater, it'll run that. Anything that you got going on there. If you got an inverter, you'll find out how much time you have depending on how many.
Gosh, this is just so simple. I really, really love it.
Yeah, it's probably the simplest thing you got out there. They make several different sizes of these all the way up to 230 watts.
Oh my gosh.
So you can start with a small one. This is just the most popular. It seems to be the middle of the road that everybody can use, and you can use it in a motorhome, you can use it in a small bumper pole trailer, whatever you want.
But that's great. So if they need you, they got the website. And we appreciate y'all's time. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. All right.
Bye.